Got an ATN file and Photoshop doesn't seem to recognize it automatically? This is a powerful automation file that can save you hours of repetitive editing work. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to load and unleash these Photoshop action presets. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated ATN file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. ATN files are action set files for Adobe Photoshop containing recorded sequences of editing commands that automate repetitive image processing tasks. They store one or more named actions with step-by-step instructions for filters, adjustments, transforms layer operations, and other Photoshop functions that can be replayed on any image. Photoshop ATN files use a proprietary binary format, storing action set hierarchies with individual action definitions containing sequential command descriptors. Each command records the Photoshop function invoked, along with its parameter values, enabling exact reproduction of complex multi-step editing workflows. Technically, the best program for ATN is usually Adobe Photoshop from Adobe Systems Incorporated. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows cannot validate their meaning, so incorrect edits can cause issues. Your first move is to test all possible decoders. Right-click your ATN file and choose Open With. Use Adobe Photoshop if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the quickest diagnostic method. When an ATN file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. When the file won't budge, the error is typically related to three simple things. Use the following checklist to quickly identify the issue that persists. First, loading actions in Photoshop. Open Adobe Photoshop and navigate to the Actions panel via Window then Actions. Click the panel menu hamburger icon and select Load Actions. Browse to the ATN file and click Load. The action set appears in the Actions panel, ready to be applied to your images. Next, running an action. Select an image to process, then click the desired action in the Actions panel and press the play button at the bottom of the panel. Photoshop executes each recorded step automatically. Use the step-by-step toggle to pause at each step for manual adjustments during playback. Finally, troubleshooting action errors. If an action fails mid-execution, it may reference missing fonts, layers, or plugins. Open the action steps by expanding the action in the Actions panel and identify the failing step. Modify parameters by double-clicking the step or skip it using the checkbox toggle next to each step. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.